In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off toggle keys on your HP desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select the keyboard. Where it says toggle keys, play a sound when you press caps, number, scroll lock. Click inside this oval until it says off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.